रेप करते वक्त ये सब नहीं सोचे थे।
Section 4/12 of POCSO. This
एज ऑफ द गर्ल,
15 years, my lord. I be permitted to place the FIR, which is
आई विल रीड द FIR, डोंट रीड इट। यू हैव द 164 स्टेटमेंट? आ गया है, डोंट वरी।
I'm reading the FIR.
नो डोंट रीड, आई एम रीडिंग, आई नो हिंदी। हाँ बोलिए, क्या है? I have gone through the FIR, you make your submissions. I don't read everything.
This case has been filed just to pressurize the petitioner, my lord. Petitioner is himself at 20 years of age. First of all, my lord, the date of occurrence is of 8/3/2022, my lord. And FIR has been lodged after 1 month, more than 1 month, that is on 12/4/22, my lord. The incident happens, my lord. Then the girl remains missing for the whole night. There's no complaint, no FIR or nothing, my lord. Thereafter, my lord, several times panchayati has been held, and even in the panchayati, the panchs are asking to pay the boy 2 lakh rupees and 1 vehicle, my lord. If this would have been true, my lord, then there should have been no demand by the panchs.
Anything more?
No, my lord.
क्या गणेश बाबू?
The allegation is that petitioner is said to have committed rape upon the minor daughter of the informant lordship, aged about 15 years old lordship, and on the intervention of their this her minor and Panch several.
वो सब छोड़ दीजिए ना, और क्या है आपका?
The marriage was ultimately denied by the petitioner. शादी करने के लिए कहा गया, लेकिन शादी करने से इनकार कर दिया। रेप का एलिगेशन
3 बार पंचायती
हो गया ना, आप बहस कर लिए, वो बहस कर लिए, बाकी तो रिकॉर्ड हम देखे ही, 3 बार पंचायत, 5 बार पंचायत का। और द लर्नेड काउंसिल फॉर द पिटिशनर एंड श्री गणेश प्रसाद सिंह, लर्नेड APP फॉर द स्टेट। The prosecution case in short, next. The learned counsel for the petitioner submitted that this is not a case of rape but of consensual sex by the petitioner and the victim, and allegation may be false as the victim has not got married to the as the petitioner did not marry the victim. Mr. Ganesh Prasad Singh opposes the prayer for bail and has submitted that a minor girl has been raped by the petitioner, and thereafter various kind of defenses are being taken. Next. From reading the FIR and the statement made under section 164 of CRPC by the victim girl, it appears that the victim is from the records, it appears that the victim is a minor. The victim has been raped by the petitioner. The villagers tried to intervene so that the case is not registered, and they try to fix the marriage of the petitioner and the victim, which has not happened. This cannot be a ground. This delay has happened because of the intervention of the village people, and this cannot be a ground for grant of bail to the petitioner. When the petitioner has been found to has committed rape of a minor, he has to suffer the consequences. This application is dismissed. The trial is directed to be expedited.
One more submission. This petitioner himself is a minor. 20 साल का है हुजूर, मैरिजेबल एज नहीं है, इसीलिए इसी ग्राउंड
20 साल का माइनर नहीं होता है ना, 18 साल का। ठीक है, तो ये सब जाइए, रेप करते वक्त ये सब नहीं सोचे थे, हो गया ना। आई हैव पास माई ऑर्डर, नाउ यू कैन मूव टू अदर कोर्ट्स। नेक्स्ट।